The Salon Guy is performing a slick-back hairstyle on 2 models. The key to getting a good slick-back is to apply his products such as Power Cream or the matte pomade to fully clean dry hair. If you've got remnants of yesterday's product, or if your hair is the least bit greasy, you'll compromise any effectiveness. Be sure to use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair when damp. Once you apply the product, then you can sculpt the style into shape. Start with a dime size worth of product and make sure it's evenly distributed throughout. The last thing you want is globs of gel or paste. Using a hair cutting comb will give you accurate, precise results, whereas if you use your hands as your styling tool, you will get a more natural look. A wide tooth comb will prevent tugging and pulling and is more effective at detangling than a standard comb. This style works best on straight, thick hair types. Styles like this aren't the best on fine or thin hair as the hair will get weighed down. You can slick back your hair if it's wavy or curly, but you will need a stronger product like Power Cream to hold the style in place. If you are looking to purchase any products, use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.